In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily crop an image in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to clean up an image, remove unwanted edges, or simply reframe what appears on screen, cropping is a quick and useful tool to know. The good news is that DaVinci Resolve makes this very simple once you know where to look, and it only takes a few clicks to get the result you want. To get started, go to your timeline and select the image clip you want to edit. Make sure the correct clip is highlighted before moving on, because any adjustment you make will apply to the clip that is currently selected. This is a small detail, but it can save you time and help avoid editing the wrong item by accident. Once your image clip is selected, look at the preview window. Under the preview on the left side, you'll see a small arrow pointing downward. Go ahead and click that arrow to open the available on-screen tools. This menu gives you quick access to different editing controls that can be applied directly inside the viewer. From that drop-down menu, choose Crop. As soon as you select it, crop handles will appear around your image in the preview. These handles let you adjust the visible area of the image visually, which is often much faster and more intuitive than typing in values manually. Now simply click on the handles and drag them inward or outward to adjust the crop. As you move each handle, you'll see the image update in real time in the preview, making it easy to fine-tune the framing. Take your time here and make small adjustments if needed so the final crop looks clean and balanced. One helpful tip is to keep an eye on the overall composition while you drag. Cropping isn't just about cutting something out, it's also about improving how the image looks on screen. If your subject starts to feel too close to the edge, just ease the crop back slightly until it feels more natural. And that's really all there is to it. Select your image clip, open the tool menu under the preview using the arrow on the left, choose Crop, and then drag the handles to adjust the image exactly the way you want. It's a fast, beginner-friendly method that works great when you need a simple crop without digging through extra settings. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature.